happy because finally we're able to accomplish at least one article, no? 3 more to go. Anong sabi ko sa Justice? Malayo na pero malayo pa, no? But nevertheless, we are already preparing for the succeeding articles. Ang susunod natin, of course, is confidential fund, no? And the prosecution is always ready for the upcoming trial. We are positive because in this article, naging napakaganda at kompleto ng testimonya ng ating mga testigo. We had only 3 witnesses, and I must say that all of them are powerful witnesses. In the person of Agent Calilong, Attorney Lotok, and of course, ultimately, Director Matibag, na naging very, very important ang kanyang naging testimonya. Without discussing the details, of course, dwelling on the merits. Thank you.